all you have to do is grab your phone and install this app. Do nothing and you will get paid by just doing those things. It's the easiest and fastest way to earn money online by simply using your phone. You can make a decent amount of money with this approach. You don't need to complete some boring surveys to earn money online with this method. So stay tuned and watch until the end of this video because I will show you exactly how you can maximize your earnings. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. If you enjoy our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon and don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others. And if you have any concerns, questions or suggestions about the video, leave a comment below. Now let's get started. In this video, today I will show you 3 apps that will enable you to make money without doing anything. All you have to do is install the app and you are good to go. These apps will certainly be available on iOS and even Android devices. So no matter what device you are utilizing right now, you can do this. Install the app and sign up for absolutely free. Then collect your earnings. So stay tuned until the end of this video because I will show you a bonus app that you can use to earn extra money online. I recommend you use these apps because you can maximize your income when you utilize all of these apps. Now the first app that we are going to use today is the Panel app. So what is Panel app? This app is a data collection app where it only runs in the background and runs for 100% free. Generally, this app accumulates data about the things that you do online. Don't worry because this app is not dangerous. It's pretty safe to utilize and also they will not steal any data and confidential information about you. This app collects background data. As you can see right here, this app has over 10,000 downloads, which means that many people are already utilizing this in various parts of the world. So you can also see here that this app has a very high rating of reviews. So a lot of people love this app. Here you can read that Panel app is a free mobile loyalty club with over $2 million in cash and prizes. So this is the first app that you can use to earn money online. You can install this app on the Google Play Store and the App Store. Now the next app that I will show you today is called the SMore Earn Cash Rewards app. This app is also available in the Google Play Store and also the App Store. We can watch these short videos right here if you want to because it will certainly explain how to use this app and you can know even more about this app. It's also pretty entertaining. This app will certainly show ads on your lock screen. And as usual, you can unlock your phone the way that you always unlock it. The ad is an image where you can ignore it and also you can skip that and unlock your phone directly. You don't need to complete any offers or surveys to earn money with this app. Let's all agree that we unlock our phones thousands and thousands of times a day, but we are not making money for that. Yet, with this app, we are making money. So that is the second app that will pay us for doing almost nothing at all. So this is my favorite app among all the apps that I will be sharing with you. But before we proceed with the video, comment down below on what country you live in right now, so I can make videos based on your region. And again, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon and give it a like. Now let's get back to the video. This is the third app. It's called moneysmsapp.com. Money SMS is a free Android app that automatically makes money online by getting SMS generated messages by your systems and customers. You can read it right here that this website is automatic. You earn money with the app passively without any active actions required from your side. You don't need to work at all. All you need to do is just install the app. You don't need to read the SMS. You can delete it once you get it. Even they are just doing some testing on different SMS apps. They won't show you any ads and will not let you complete any survey to earn money in any way. The app is likewise 100% secure, so don't worry. This app doesn't read any of your messages or uses any of your data. They just read your test SMS. As well as once more, this app is 100% free. You don't need to pay anything to get started and there are no hidden fees. All you need to do is sign up for this application, download, set up the APK, register and keep the app and internet running on your phone and receive automatic text SMS. Our system and our customers will undoubtedly send text SMS to your phone number from time to time after getting paid. You will automatically make money $0.02 when you receive text messages. You can withdraw your money when your balance hits $2. You don't need to earn $100 to cash out your money. That's how excellent this app is. They also pay you extremely fast. As you can read here, they pay you within 48 hours. You can pay out your money on different payment techniques, but the best one is PayPal. If you are asking if this is a scam or not, you can read it here that Money SMS, we take all the required measures to ensure that we follow the most recent GDPR privacy policy requirements. If you are not genuine, whether we pay our users, you can check the proofs from many of our users on an independent website, Net Business Reading. There are over 10,000 people worldwide utilizing this app already. You can also see right here that they have paid out over $10,000 to their users. This app is excellent, so go on and give this a try. This is the last app that I will be showing you today. This app is a mobile expression panel. It's pretty similar to the first app that I showed you previously. This app additionally accumulates background data and also we are going to get paid. If you have different devices in your homes, you can use them and install the app on each device and just let it run in the background. The more devices you have, the more cash you can make with this app. Even if you have simply one device, you can still earn a lot of money. So install the app as well as let it do its thing. You can have consistent earnings on this app without doing anything. Exactly how fantastic that is. This app has over 10,000 downloads as well, which implies that many people are already using this app and making money. It also has a good rating of reviews, which means many people are happy and making money with this app. This app has also been online for a while, which means it has been running for a long time. When you combine these 4 apps, you can make a lot of cash by doing absolutely nothing and earning money for 100% free. That's how you can make money with this approach. And that's it for today's video. If you get some value out of this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.